So, hello everyone. Thanks for joining me today. I want to talk about something that's changing the way we get the packages, drone delivery. We all know how important it is to get things delivered fast, whether it is groceries, medicines, or last minute birthday gifts. But find part of the journey from a local hub to your doorsteps, we call it last mile delivery. It's often the slowest and most expensive step. So there where So this is where autonomous drones comes in. Drones can fly over the traffic, take the shortest route, drop the packages at right location. They are faster, cleaner for the environment, and even they can reach rural places and remote areas where delivery trucks cannot go. So this is not a new gadget. It's actually a solution for making delivery quicker and more accessible to everyone. In today's presentation, I'll talk how drone delivery works, the tech that powers it, and the challenges we face and where we are heading next. So right now, customers can use the app on their phone or computer on any devices to place an order, track their delivery in real time. Behind the scenes, there's an cloud system that manages the drone and tells them where to go. So this is not yet implemented, but prototypes are there which are planning for the first stages. So this includes few hurdles. First one is drones are very expensive, and they are also not just to buy, they are expensive in maintenance also because they fly in air. So there are strict rules which prohibits to some like no fly zones where it cannot fly. So we have to take care of like the permissions and about the green zones and no fly zones. To improve this, we are working on adding smart tech and to drones like IoT sensors to track locations, altitude, and conditions of the package. This is really important for items like food and medicines. We are also using AI to help drones to find the best route to avoid further any other flying object, basically giving them a GPS and air guided way. So next I'll forward it to Sudeep.
Thank you so much. So today I'm going to talk about the concentrating of the role of the culture and the leader change in the framework of the digital expansion and social purpose of a company. So first of all, uh, I'm going to talk about why it is important. So not only does digital delivery platform can save carbon emissions and the accelerate delivery, it also brings us the close to undeserved communities. Live tracking, group ordering, smart applications integration are also characteristics in keeping with the lifestyle of the modern user. However, in order to contribute to such innovation, our internal culture and the leadership also have to develop. At present, we have the so many cultures such as the few people, nimble informal management, and decentralized distribution career network. This enables us to be dynamic and in tune with the local societies, and this is one of our generates strengths. However, a couple of challenges also. There are some team members who do not accept from the formal system since account, uh, they have been accustomed to working without any presents. We are getting bigger and it is difficult to preserve the close-knit community-first culture and operate in new designs stimulately. Not to mention that the over-dependence on automation can harm the human touch which make our leadership to feel natural. In order to break these boundaries, we are suggesting three major digital initiatives. That is, a gamified reward system in our courier app to increase the motivation and the performance. Workshop on digital skills and leadership offer core teams so that they can develop alongside the company. A leadership model that is value driven can enable us to scale without giving up on the sense of who we are. These steps also ascertain that our structure develops in a manner that maintains our people involvement, our mission in place, and our company prepared to attain the access in the world. So this is our whole thing, and thank you so much for joining us.
Greetings, my name is Samuel, and I'm going to be talking about process optimization in the midst of the digital transformation in the delivery industry. Uh, Currently, what are how's this industry benefiting from the latest technological advances? What we do see in mainly in services like Uber Eats, DoorDash, that the routes are already being optimized with the use of AI, and also one other feature would be the real-time GPS tracking, and eventually also which enables the customer to establish communication with the delivery drivers in some cases, um, and well, that way keep a better track of what people are ordering. There's also inventory management systems which have been benefiting the industry, which have been lowering operational costs, and well, all of these. In the midst of all this, we also see an increased customer expectation of both speed and price transparency. That's the overall panorama. Now, what are some initiatives that we're seeing right now? Real-time order tracking. I know I mentioned it in the last slide, but I repeat it here because it is drastically improving. Drastically improving. Is real time, and well, new technologies allow this tracking to be more accurate and more sensitive. And also another aspect that has been a trending topic in this industry would be robotics for warehouse automation, because they do enable cheaper and easier inventory tracking. Now, why is all of this relevant? Well, first of all, as I was mentioning in one of my past slides, this all of this enables companies to, in most cases, lower operational costs. They enable faster delivery as well. This enables scaling for demand fluctuations, which is very important because, like, based on previous data, demand can be forecasted, and well, with these technological solutions, scaling becomes possible, allowing allowing the industry to provide for that demand, to provide the adequate supply. And finally, we have like better supply chain management, or in turn lowering costs as well. And finally, there are challenges and threats. We have what is called as the customer expectation paradox, in which since customers are now used to the technology, to those technological advances, now they expect them. This stops being like a pro feature, and it becomes like the norm, where it is expected from X or Y company, from by their customers. Because well, if that expectation is not met, chances are that in the current landscape, it's going to be easier for this person to find a competitor, which in turn is going to be able to fulfill that need, albeit new. We also have cybersecurity concerns, of course, with the handling of personal identifiable information such as addresses, full names, and yeah, well, we all have heard of at least one big cybersecurity breach in which the information of thousands of customers was exposed, was sold, and well, this is also a threat here. And finally, we have like challenges related to last mile delivery. I live at the corner of Drake Street and Pacific Boulevard in Jailtown. And for some reason, whenever I order DoorDash something, even though my address is on Drake Street, it sends sometimes the delivery drivers to Pacific Boulevard. And so well, then now they have to like go back, circle all the block, and well, it becomes an inconvenience. So yeah, on a personal note, I can say that happens. That is not perfect yet. And I'm pretty confident that it might be at some point, but well, as of right now, we still see these challenges for these technologies.
All right, so I will present on business model innovation and digital initiatives. So first, let's look at current state. So traditional delivery services rely on ground transportation such as vans and bikes with human drivers. And revenue mainly comes from per delivery fees with surge pricing during peak hours or bad weather. The issues or challenges that most delivery services face is traffic delays, limited rural access, and a lack of specialized delivery options. And finally, customer interaction is largely transactional, just tracking and basic support. So to address these gaps, we suppose a digitally transformed business model. So one initiative is a subscription models offering discounted or unlimited deliveries to frequent users, like example, Prime phone services. So we are also targeting niche high-value deliveries such as medical supplies or urgent documents through on-demand, ultra-fast delivery with premium pricing. So for local businesses, we offer drone as a services where they can outsource their last mile delivery using our drones, paying either per delivery or through a subscription plan. Additionally, we envision collaborating with smart cities to ensure, to build drone-friendly infrastructure like landing pads and changing hubs, generating revenue from infrastructure usage fees. So to enhance customer experience, our value-added services include real-time drone video feeds, AI-powered predictive delivery times, secure contactless delivery through facial recognition or lockers, environmental reporting to showcase reduced carbon emissions, and options for customers to personalize delivery time and locations. So now let's look at why it matters and challenges. So this innovation isn't just about automation. It's about redefining how value is created and delivered. By combining speed, efficiency, and customer control, we aim to stand out in a competitive market and meet the expectations of both individual and business users. So why it matters? Because it differentiates from ground deliveries or traditional method and creates new revenue streams, enables innovative value creation beyond automation, and positions business for market leadership. So now let me discuss some of the challenges. So first one is regulatory issues like drone flight permits and airspace compliance are key hurdles. So we also have to address public concerns such as noise, safety, and privacy. So the upfront cost of infrastructure is high, and we must build trust against well-established services. And finally, like security risks like drone hacking and package theft must be managed with robust tech solutions. And weather variability can impact reliability. And despite these challenges, we believe this model has strong potential to reshape the delivery landscape, especially by integrating smart technology, sustainability, and customer centric innovation.